So our repair course today is going to be about noise problem of iPhone 6s front camera microphone recording. First, run cosmetics inspection of the logic board. The logic board bears no deformation or water damage issue. Next, let's assemble the phone and test. Get the logic board and display assembly installed. Connect the battery and press power button. Tap camera icon and enter into camera mode. Switch to front camera. Choose the video mode. Click on the red button to record video. Also, when recording, tap the screen in resume. A few minutes later, click on the red button to stop recording. Then, play the recorded video. There is noise during video playback. Go to Settings. Sounds. Adjust the Reader volume by moving the slider. Audio output of Reader is normal. We can confirm now that something is wrong with recording relevant circuit. Next, let's take apart the phone and take out the logic board. Run die mode measurement of front camera connector, J3100. The measured value is normal, so the relay between J3100 and audio IC is in normal condition. Next thing we do is to measure power supply voltage of audio IC. Connect the logic board with display assembly. Then connect battery connector with power supplier. Press power button on the power supplier. The system will then detect power button press. Tap camera icon and enter into camera mode. Click on the red button to record video. Meantime, switch the multimeter to voltage mode. Measure audio IC test points FL3150, C3640, C3610, and C3600. Measure the voltage of the four is 2.86 volts, 1.8 volts, 1.8 volts, and 4.1 volts, which is normal. Judging by this, power supply of the audio IC is also normal. So there's nothing wrong with power supply circuit and front camera microphone circuit. Our conclusion is that the audio IC is pseudo-soldered or damaged. Let's replace with the new IC and see how it works. Heat with the hot air gun at 330 degrees, airflow 2. And detach the audio IC from the board. Then apply some paste flux to the bonding pad. Remove tins on the bonding pad with soldering iron at 350 degrees. Remove tins again with rosin-soaked solder wick Clean with PCB cleaner afterwards. Continue to apply some paste flux to the bonding pad. Get the new IC in position. Solder with hot air gun at 330 degrees. Airflow 2. Once done, clean with PCB cleaner. Now we can assemble the phone and test. Get the logic board and display assembly installed. Connect the battery and press the power button. Tap camera icon and enter into camera mode. Switch to front camera. Choose the video mode. Click on the red button to record video. Also, when recording, tap the screen in resume. A few minutes later, click on the red button to stop recording. Then, play the recorded video. No noise during video playback this time. Fault cleared. Warn tips: get the phone full assembled after confirmation of fault clearance. Noise problem of iPhone 6s front camera microphone fixed perfectly. And this is our iPhone 6s front camera microphone noise issue repair course today. Feel free to visit our official website www.rewatechnology.com. See you next course.